2 more firearms found at Stadium East, bringing the total number to 10.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
The police have seized 2 more firearms at the Stadium East field in St. Andrew. The police say one AK-47 rifle and a Remington shotgun were found on Wednesday, January 26. Since the operation began on Sunday, when 1 shotgun, 1 AK-47 rifle, and 1 Uzi submachine gun were found. 50 rounds of ammunition were also seized on Sunday. On Monday, a further 5 weapons were found, including 3 high-powered rifles, 2 magazines and 60 rounds of ammunition, along with numerous ballistic vests, were also seized. The joint police-military operation has included a number of specialized units, and the police have indicated an intention to continue the effort until all likely weapons stored on the compound are found. Meanwhile, 11 members of the ballistics unit of the Technical Services Division embarked on a 4-day training course to further enhance their capabilities of shooting incident reconstruction. Under the tutelage of Mr. Michael Hack of the Forensic Science Consultants Agency in New Mexico, the course included trajectory analysis, identifying bullet path, among other topics. The unit is critical in supporting investigations through experiments and observation, in piecing together crime scenes and testing hypotheses.
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!